Laser hair reduction is the most commonly performed non-surgical procedure in any cosmetic clinic. If you are getting laser hair reduction sessions and still you are not getting the desired result, what can the cause be? The number one cause is the technology which you are getting laser done from. There are many machines in the market ranging from diode, alexandrite, triple wavelength. So if the technology is not good, if the machine is not up to the mark, you will not get proper results. The second is operator oriented. If you are not getting laser reduction from an expert person, from any cosmetologist or a trained doctor, the results may not be up to the mark. They may not be as you desire. Getting laser from a technician and getting laser from a doctor, there are two different things. At least it should be done under the supervision of a cosmetologist so that she or he can manage the parameters which are needed for the type of hair and the skin accordingly. If you are missing your laser hair sessions, you are not coming properly on regular intervals, it's very difficult to break the hair cycle. That may also lead to reduction in the result. Then there may be some medical or hormonal factors. If a client has PCOD or he has some hormonal changes, maybe there is pregnancy or menopause or some other reason because of which the hair cycle is changed, the results may not be that much. If you get laser hair reduction from a technician, sometimes they are not able to give you the proper energy. You have dark skin but the hair texture is very fine. Giving low amounts of energy can lead to paradoxical hair growth. This means instead of reduction of hair, the hair growth may be increased or there may be spurt in the hair growth. This is also one of the factors giving lower energy in thin hair. Another important factor which decides the result in laser hair reduction is the type of hair, the texture of hair. If you have coarse dark hair, the results are very good and the number of sessions required are less. But if the hair is very thin, especially with a dark complexion, the number of sessions required are more because we cannot give a higher amount of energy because of the skin complexion. So it takes time to break the cycle and reduce the hair. So thin hair means lesser result and a longer time. Thank you.